Look.
I'm gonna go get the torch.
Bird has food in his mouth. Okay, here, come.
Where is
See,
it?
see, see, see.
Oh.
Shh. Yeah, I got it. Okay, see. Shh, don't make any noise. Baby's eating. Look, see. See, she's sharing. Why is her hair all fuzzy? Well, she's really pissed. Oh, it's opening its mouth. Oh, they have feather already, Tyler.
I know.
Look at that.
Yeah, before.
Oh, so much feather.
Oh,
The neck's going up. Because I knocked the light. Oh, wow. How it feels satisfying when he does it. But what is it? I don't know. Look at this dude. Almost ready to fly. My God, it almost attacked me. It's like, don't be near my eggs. Oh, not afraid of me at all. That's the father and the mother. Tyler, see? Oh, there's the mother.
It won't hurt.
Whoa, so close. Come on.
No.
Behind the van.
Right under my swing.
Yep.
And I gotta wash it now.
Still there. Baby ready to fly already. Oh, oh look, poop. Poop.
Who did that?
The bird, of course. Okay, hey, little birdie. Are you ready
Hi.
to fly?
Hi, Squealio, or whoever you are.
Wow. Okay. Where's your mama? Why did you poop in my house? Seriously.
Yeah, why did you poop on my patio?
Let me see your buddies. Are your buddies there? Let me see.
I see your buddy.
Oh, it pooped. Look, it's flying.
It's coming, Skoda!
What? Oh, look, that's him?
Huh?
That's the baby?
Where's the mother?
Oh, gosh. Where's the baby? Go see the baby.
Where's...
I don't know, but look, the mother is like, what?
Are they?
Well, let's go see it.
Little guy?
Slowly.
They're, well, why did it more or less?
Look, that's the baby. Okay. Let me see. Look at Tyler go. Okay. Oh, she's crouching down. I wonder how close I can get to it.
So cute.
Oh, look, it pooped. Wow. Oh, that's the mom. Look.
The poop is your defense thing.
Yeah, that's the mom there. Look. Maybe not this
Oh,
one.
he's right there.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
What's
Whoa,
happening to my
whoa,
life?
whoa.
What's happening to my
Yeah,
life?
the bird's like trying to attack you. Oh, that
Hi, Hi.
Are you awake now?
Yes.
Oh wow, look right there.
What the?
Above the roof there.
You can't see me now. You can't see
He's
me.
trying to attack me. You see that? He's trying to come towards me and like turn away. Whoa, that mother is really angry. Uh-oh. Whoa, the parents are really hovering.
Yeah, I'm totally not scared.
Okay, is it coming? Don't come to me. Eh? Oh gosh. Where'd it?
Yeah, Mom.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Oh, dude, she's gonna poke us.
Let's go.
Oh
Oh.
Dude, they're gonna come. They're gonna smack on the door.
Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. Oh.
It's like a show.
Yeah.
Because we're not gonna get.
Oh, here comes another father. So it was trying to attack, but then it doesn't want to attack. It's trying to like intimidate you. A baby bird's still on the grass.
You nub, you can't get us, nub. Yeah, nub.
Oh.
Can't get us, nub.
Oh.
Can't get. Yeah, what did I say? Yeah. Can't get us.
Oh wow.
I'm just making you angry, but I'm not actually gonna hurt your birds. Yeah. You should know.
I'm gonna go see the baby on the grass.
They're gonna poke you.
No. You can stay if you want.
I don't think they like me.
Cause you call them no. Whoa. Dude, are you serious?
I'm her bird protector. I get poked inside of you.
It flew right towards us. Like it's gonna attack us. Yeah.
I'm kind of lazy.
Uh-oh. I'm like literally 3 feet away from the baby. Why are you so far, dude?
Because I don't want to keep you away. It's a little bit fun.
Yeah, so we were just saying that the tail of the bird is still too short to fly. It needs a long tail. So the tails are the stabilizer, right, Tar? Look how close I am.
You're 2 feet away.
I know. So close.
Only the baby bird doesn't know about human.
Yeah.
So they don't know if they're nice or not.
Yeah, right.
I'm just totally not gonna do this.
Go.
Oh my god, I'm so close to it. I'm really so close. Look at his mouth. So wicked.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh no, it's gonna fly right at me. Whoa! Do you see that? It turned right last minute. You see that? Whoa! You see that? Okay, I have it on video. Look. There are 2 birds there. 2. So the baby bird's been hovering around our house and is sitting on Tyler's house. See? Hey, baby bird. I can tell because the tail is actually really short. An adult bird has a longer tail. Oh, it's pooing all over Tyler's. It's pooing all over Tyler's house. Wow, so much poo. Look, he's pooing all over. Man, baby bird really poo a lot. Used to be an egg just a week ago, 2 weeks ago. No birds left. Oh gosh. Whoa. What is all this? Oh my gosh!